Welcome to Daily Vocabulary Builder, your daily serving of new English words and phrases. Hello, English learners. Welcome to Daily Vocabulary Builder, Episode 1. In today's episode, I have a new phrase for you. Take it easy. Let's find out what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversation. Take it easy. Sometimes life can get stressful or overwhelming. When someone tells you to take it easy, they mean that you should relax, stay calm, and not get too stressed out about something. The phrase can also be used to say goodbye to someone in a friendly, casual way, almost like saying, "Don't stress, take care." In short, take it easy means to relax, stay calm, or not overwork yourself. Now, let's look at some example sentences to see how you can use this phrase in your daily conversation.
Example 1.
When John was feeling extremely tired after working late for several nights, his wife suggested that he should take it easy and relax over the weekend.
Example 2.
After hearing that she didn't pass the audition, Emma was very upset. Her best friend comforted her by saying, "Don't worry, Emma. Take it easy and try again next time."
Example 3.
As Peter was leaving his office after a long day, his colleague waved and said, "Take it easy, Peter. See you tomorrow."
Example 4.
During an intense discussion about project deadlines, Sam realized that his teammate was getting too stressed. He calmly said, "Hey, take it easy. We'll figure it out together."
Example 5.
After injuring his ankle during a basketball match, the doctor advised David to take it easy and avoid any physical activity for a few weeks.
Example 6.
Lucy had been studying nonstop for her final exams. Her brother noticed and told her, "You need to take it easy or you'll burn yourself out."
Example 7.
When Anna started panicking about her wedding plans, her mother gently told her, "Sweetheart, take it easy. Everything will fall into place."
Example 8.
As Mike was feeling nervous before his big presentation, his boss smiled and said, "Take it easy, Mike. You'll do just fine." That's the end of today's episode. Thank you for watching Daily Vocabulary Builder. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more daily English words, phrases, and idioms to help you grow your English fluency. I'll see you again tomorrow with a new lesson. Till then, take it easy and have a great day.